Alright, so I'm going to show how you can start getting paid by making YouTube videos. So first what you're going to want to do is meet these minimum eligibility requirements. If you want to go through all the detailed instructions, you can Google YouTube Partner Program, but the main things are have more than 1,000 subscribers, and then the other thing is to have more than 4,000 valid public watch hours within the last 12 months. Once you reach 1,000 subscribers, you'll know because YouTube will email you this GIF or GIF image. To check how much watch time you have, you can either use YouTube Studio and go to the watch time analytics, or you can go to the YouTube Studio website, studio.youtube.com. Make sure you adjust the setting to the last 365 days. That's how you'll see the last 12 months. And then if you have over 4,000 hours, then you're good to go. So this image is just kind of a placeholder because I don't remember how exactly I set it up. But on your YouTube account, there'll be something to join the YouTube Partner Program. And once you do that, it'll have you create a Google AdSense account. So just follow all of that. And then after you set up your Google AdSense account, after some time, Google will actually send you one of these letters in the mail. So just watch out for that. The letter you receive in the mail will have a personal identification number. This is basically just to verify your address to make sure that nobody is using your account and sending it to somewhere else. So what I noticed was the instructions on this letter weren't really accurate, so you might have to look around. There might be a notification at the top of your Google AdSense page that will allow you to enter the PIN. If you don't see it there, just keep looking around. Your letter might be updated because I noticed that while they were giving out these letters, YouTube was in the middle of removing themselves from the Google AdSense, so all the analytics are in the YouTube Studio page now. So once you have your Google AdSense page set up and everything, you'll want to go to YouTube Studio and then go to your videos and click the dollar symbol next to your videos so that you can enable monetization. So just select on, and then after that you can choose the type of ads that you want to add to your video. If you select all of them, you'll most likely make more money, but it'll probably be more annoying for your viewers. If you have too many videos or you're too lazy to do it the long way, you can click the checkbox and then click select all. And once all videos are selected, click edit. And then in the edit menu, click monetization. And then in the monetization, you can just turn it all on. The only thing with this method is it won't turn on all the different kinds of ads. So just keep that in mind. It'll just turn on the more basic ads. So after you've monetized your videos, you'll probably notice that your estimated revenue is slowly going up. They do have like a minimum of $100 before you can cash out. But even then, it's gonna lag behind. So your revenue will show up way before the Google AdSense page will even show that you're making money. So don't be discouraged. Just keep making videos, keep making money, keep watching your estimated revenue, and every so often go back to your Google AdSense page. It might take a month or so before you actually see that there's a balance in your Google AdSense page to basically withdraw the funds. So here you can see on the google.com/AdSense page, even though my revenue was like over $500 within the last 90 days, the first time they showed a balance, it showed $373.46. So just keep that in mind. You're not going to see the full amount. It's kind of delayed a bit. But once you see your balance is at least $100, then you can set up your payment account. Just click the action button at the top of the screen as you can see on my page. That'll take you to this screen. You just scroll down, you'll see manage payment methods. And then once you click that, you'll see an add payment method button. So just click that, and then after you click that, it'll bring you to a page to set up your bank account that you link to it, and you'll just have to get your routing number, account number, the name that's on your bank account, and set up all that information. So all of this is new to me. I did this long time ago one time, but recently after they changed all the minimum requirements, I'm just getting my first payment from YouTube. So anyways, I'm not sure of the steps after this, but they will send you a small deposit to the bank account that you put your information for, and eventually you'll have to get the amount that they deposited to you, and then you'll have to verify it, I believe, on this Google AdSense page. So just be on the lookout for that payment. And I'm not sure exactly, but my guess is once you verify your payment, they will send you the actual payment that you requested. So just be on the lookout for that. And good luck, everyone. Keep working hard. It'll take a lot of time and effort before you see your first payments. Subscribers will be slow. Try and get friends and families to subscribe at first. If you make good videos, people will share them around. Don't worry about it. Just keep going, keep putting time and effort into it, and eventually you'll be able to make some money off your YouTube videos. All right. Good luck to everyone again, and hopefully I'll see you guys in my other videos. I don't know if you'll be interested in them. They're all computer and electronics repairs. I do some other random videos as well. Eventually I will start doing Tesla Cybertruck videos and things like that when I get my truck. But yeah, hope to see you guys around, and hope this helps. Don't forget to like and subscribe to help me out and help others find this video. And thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.